Floor manager.
Yes.
Was the one and only managing artist, artist, comedians, name it.
Yes.
One and only.
Who be that?
Stacy.
Yes.
Wajiko.
Yes.
Wajiro.
I want to thank you guys for giving me that platform, for believing in me.
Stacy, John Mushebe na
Kaforo.
Hapa kwa hapa.
Kutuarana.
Stacy Global Events.
Kaforo.
Stacy, give her floor manager. Lakini sasa tofauti anaongea kizungu.
Wakiongelesha sasa wasanii.
Client. Hi Wanjine, what time do you need to be on stage? Let me cue in DJ Debo.
Yeah.
Then okay. Hi Tipsy. Oh, you're the surprise guest. Stay in the car. Hi Mushendo.
Are you Mushendo for real? Okay.
Okay, let me cue in Tony. Yeah.
Which song?
Yeah, come Joyce for mama. Hi, mommy. Hiya. Top.
Thank you so much.
Ewa mena marugata mataha. Akikuyu love session.
Yes.
Joki wa gemi. Ruwe the flow manager. Already na corporate.
Yes.
Corporate and all things you can say.
Thank you so
Our
much.
all Stacy.
Sasa uko na side hustle.
Never having done that before. Hiya,
Hiya, tarama karika ko.
Wewe kina side hustle.